Hola! Welcome to a new video. Okay, so today's video is gonna be a nail tutorial. This is one of the most asked questions that I get. I feel like everyone that does social media always says that. I always get asked this question. You guys always ask me, but I'm not lying when I say that. People always ask for a nail tutorial when I do my live stream. So I thought today we'll bring you one, right? So yeah, the nails are very outgrown now. They're still on though. These are the exact nails I did in this video. And I think I filmed it 2 weeks ago. You can tell from the outgrow. The outgrow? What's that called? I don't know. I'm not a nail girl. But yeah, I save so much money by doing shit like this all the time. I wax my own eyebrows. I tint my own eyebrows. I literally pay like 25 quid for my hair every like 2 months or something. I don't ever spend money on like sunbeds or anything. Even my own piercings. I will pierce my ears. So I feel like that's why I'm so good at saving money. And obviously I do my nails myself and my toenails. All the pampering kind of shit I just do myself. I think I've got that from my nana because my nana's like that. It is the best money saving thing ever. Like literally ever. The nails especially, like people must spend so much money on nails now. And I just think why? When you can actually do them at home and they actually look alright. And they last ages as well. Like these have lasted me so long now. I'm going to leave all the items I use linked in the description below. Everything that I use I get on Amazon. So I'll leave everything below. But yeah, that is that. Hope you enjoyed the little tutorial. And let's get into it. Look at these ugly ass nails. Okay, this is what you need for the nail tutorial. One of these lamps, you never need to buy another one unless it fails on you, but it probably won't. So yeah, these are like 50 quid on Amazon, I think, or 40 quid. I'm going to link this one below. You can get cheaper ones. You don't need to spend that much. That was actually a Christmas present, to be honest. And then I got this off Amazon as well. This is a really good white gel polish. Sometimes I really struggle to find a good one. But this one is doing the job, right? It's very pigmented. And then this is the beauty. This is the girl. She is the it girl. It's the My Gel Miley Builder Gel. I think it's in the shade pink or light pink. I will link it below, like I said. This is a nail prep dehydrator. To be honest, I don't see a difference whilst using this. I know that nail girls will understand what it does, but yeah, I'll link that below, I suppose. The nail glue is unreal from Amazon. I get it in a pack of 6, I think. Best nail glue ever. And then the tips I also get from Amazon as well. Dead cheap. Some of them come with an acrylic cutter as well, but I did actually break mine. This is what you need if you're a French tip girl, right? It's a silicone stamper. You need this if you want to do your own French tips. It's so cheap. It's saving you time and patience. I could never, with my shaky hands after like 3 coffees, get a brush and do a French tip myself. Like, I'm just not an arty girl, you know? And then I've got all these. These are from Amazon as well. Everything you kind of get in bulk on Amazon, like without even trying to get it in bulk. So yeah, I got a big bag of nail files. And then I got a cuticle pusher from Primark, but I will link one below. And then Madame Glam actually kindly sent me out some bits, which I'm going to make like some cute French tips in another video, because I sent like a silver gel thing and I feel like that'll be good. But I am using these in this video for the Build Jellies brushes to help sort of like, you know, move it around a little bit. So this is what I do first. I don't use this if I'm using Builder Gel without the tips, because obviously it's my natural nail growing out that you want to, you know, keep growing. But because I'm using the acrylic tips, because my nails are like paper thin, I do cut my nails because I don't want you to see my nail growth underneath my acrylic, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just cut these with some dirty ass nail cutters that I've had for years. And then I use this cuticle pusher. I'm going to say right now, I am not a nail artist, obviously. I know when you go to nail shops, they'll put on the oil, they'll do it all, you know, good and like proper. Me, I just friggin' push it down and then crack on. But I'm not really bothered about that. So yeah, you can use oil for this, but I feel like that just is difficult to like prep with. I don't know. I just feel like oil doesn't allow the nail glue to grip. It's hard to sort of like wash off. But anyway, I did that, and then I sort of like filed them a little bit, like buffed them on top. I did the nail dehydrating thing. I don't know what I'm fucking doing. I literally don't have a clue. And then I filed these down on top again.
like I say, I'm not a nail girl, right? I don't actually know what I'm doing. I don't really know the purpose for anything. I just do it and it works for me. So I shouldn't really be filming this video because, yeah, I'm not a professional. So maybe go look at someone else's video. But anyway, I glue on all of the tips. This is how I actually used to have my nails, like, dead long. I used to have, like, bright red long nails and they just don't really go no more. So they're not my aesthetic. So yeah, I just cut them down. Like I say, you can get acrylic cutters on Amazon, but I just use scissors. Also, this thing, don't even bother. I feel like it's a little bit of a waste of time. I know they use them in salons and stuff, but I just prefer to get a normal nail file. I sort of just tried this out for the video to look professional, you know? So yeah, it did kind of do the job, but nail files do the same thing and they're cheaper, so do what makes you happy, you know? So I buffed out, I think, one hand. Went back with the nail file, shaped them a little bit more. I think I shape them again in this video. I don't actually know. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, shape them into square shape. Then here she is, the main character. This is a bit awkward, guys, because I know some people are very good at builder gel, like very experienced, got a certificate and shit. Looking at this now, I'm thinking, what are you doing? Like, I know that you're not meant to do it like this. If you want to see how to professionally, like, put on builder gel, I will link a video in the description. Like, I can't do it. I'm still learning how to do it. So don't come for me, okay? I am a beginner still, kind of. It does work for me, but I feel like there's a whole thing. Like, you've got to build an apex or something. Like, what does that even mean? I don't know. You've got to also, like, build something on the middle of the nail to make it look natural. I have no idea. I sort of just put a lighter coat on and then cure it for 60 seconds. And then I put, like, a thicker coat on to add the colour and the thickness. And then I put another coat on. So I think this is, like, my second coat on this bit. But you're meant to sort of get, like, a ball and move the ball around on the nail. I will link a proper video because I do want people to learn how to do it if this is something that you want to do, because you can't really learn from me because I am pretty shit. But yeah, you can see it coming together though. I just aren't that good at it yet, okay? But it's shiny, it's pink, it's cute. We love her. I do need to shape them again, as you can tell. And I did just do the thumb first because I wanted to, you know, get that out of the way and just do it on one nail first instead of all of them. And then I use this. I don't know what I'm even doing. There was a part of the cuticle that it wasn't going on, so I used that brush to sort of like sort it out. But that is what it looked like after. I actually think it looked pretty good, you know. I think this is like the best set I've done so far. And then yeah, I did like a speed up bit of this where I was really trying here. I was trying to put the builder gel on and make it look cute. I'm sorry, that was the worst explanation ever and tutorial ever on the builder gel. I will link a better video below, I promise. So after that, I went in with a Madam Glam base coat. Madam Glam is unreal for gels, so I'm gonna link those below as well. I always use their top coat and base coat. And then this is the queen. You need this, like I say, if you're doing French tips. This is amazing, dead cheap, so good. And if you get it wrong a few times, then you can always just wipe it off and do it again. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, so that is the nails when they're done. I think they look alright, to be fair, but you know, whatever. And then I put the white gel onto the stamper, ready to do the French tips. Look how satisfying this is. Okay, I'm not that good yet, right? I mean, how can you really be bad at this? You're literally just stamping a nail. It's not that bad. But yeah, I put this on. Lucy, what are we doing? Hurry up. Yeah, I'm just watching because it's fun. I actually love watching this. I seen it on a TikTok. It was like a viral TikTok. I was like, I need that. And people were always tagging me like, oh my God, Luce, look at this. Because you all know that I do my own nails. And I was like, okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. And I've never looked back because I don't know how I actually managed to do French tips beforehand without this. Like how? I must have been going around with crusty French tip nails because this is so like specific. Is that the word? I don't know if that even is a word, but it just is so good. Like, look, that looks like someone's professional done. Obviously, the bit on the side, we will wipe that. Just ignore that, okay? But this is it with it wiped off. Look at that. That's after it's cured. And then I put a top coat on in a sec, actually. Wait, that's cured, yeah. And then I put a top coat on. This, again, a Madam Glam no wipe top coat because I always find that my nails, like around my nails, get really itchy if I use, like, an acetone, like, wipe thing to get the tackiness off. So I do try and stick to like a non-wipe top coat for that reason. But this is a little speed up of me doing the French tip. Don't feel like you need to be good straight away at doing this as well. It took me a good while to get used to the silicone thing. I'm still not really used to it yet. They do kind of go a bit messy from time to time. As you will see at the end result, there is actual, you know, a lot of mess around the nails. So I feel like this is just such a bad, like, video. It's not like an in-depth video. You know me, I'm not a fussy girl, right? I just act. Like, if my nails look shit, they look shit. They might look nice from a distance, whatever. Like, I'm not bothered. I'm really not picky when it comes to, like, beauty stuff. I don't know, I don't think they look bad, but that's the end result of the nails. They're shiny, they're cute. And yeah, I will, like I said, leave things linked below. This is a proper slow-mo. What is going on? As you can see, like I say, around the nails, they do sort of need cleaning up a bit. But that is the end result, and I hope you enjoyed watching this nail tutorial.
Remember to look in the description. Everything will be linked there for you all. And happy shopping, I guess. Let me know if you try it out. Let me know if you try and do your nails yourself. So easy. You save so much money. And even if you panic because you're like, oh, I can't do it, I'm starting off really bad, it takes time. Like, I've only just started to really get the hang of it, and I've been doing it for ages. So yeah, but it's a big money saver. Because who doesn't want nails? But who wants to pay for them? I never really need to pay for anything. Like, the items that I buy last me months and months. So it's very rare that I'll have to pay. It's like the odd 12 quid for a bottle of builder gel every now and then. So it's worth it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see any other videos. And I will see you in the next one. Au revoir! Then drop them drawers, I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real?